Hello everybody, here I am with my MXT Pro metal detector, and I have my 6x10 double D coil. And I find if you're going to be looking at a park, where you're going to be using this quite often, you want to have the 6x10 coil or some other small coil, not the 300 coil that it comes with. It's just going to help distinguish out trash much better, or your targets much better, so there won't be two targets on the one coil. Well, one of the things that really helped me when I was learning how to use this was I saw a video with somebody pinpointing a nickel, and the screen actually said it was 20, 19 to 20, 18 to 20, but we knew if it was coming up saying nickel, but the VDI number was anything other than the 20, it wasn't a nickel, but it was guaranteed if it's 20, it's a nickel. Well, I'm going to show you that now, how it looks with the nickel, and then we're going to do the other coins, because I found that so helpful when I'm looking in the field. I know it's a nickel, now we're going to know it's other coin versus some trash. I always wondered what a penny might be and what a quarter might be, so we're going to check that out right now. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the MXT Pro. I'm going to put the light on so you can see it better here. So it's on now, you could hear it. Let me make it a little bit louder. So I have a nickel right here right now, and we're going to look at the screen here with the light on. And okay, so see, there it is. It's coming up 20. So it says 5 cents. It says it could possibly be a ring, but we know it's a nickel, and it's coming up 20. And then if I wanted to pinpoint it, right there. Alright, so we know that's correct. That's 20. That's a nickel. So next we're going to try a quarter here. We're going to see what the quarter comes up. So pretty much 80 between... So the coils, the quarter's coming up between 85 and 87. Pretty much consistency. So 85 and 87, we know it's a quarter. So that's going to help. So if it says it's a quarter, where it says there, and then we see 86 or 85, we can be pretty much sure it's a quarter. Next we're going to try a dime. So it's a 10 cents, and it's pretty much ringing at 78, 78 or 79, but pretty much 78. So we know we got a dime at 78. Okay, next we're going to try a penny here. Penny's 65. Pretty consistent until we get away. But it does show zinc. But as we see, it's not zinc, it's a penny. And it's coming up pretty much consistent at 65. Okay, next we're going to do a bottle cap here. So this bottle cap will say 25 cents. It's not 100% sure because of the block. But it's coming up around either a 74 or 82. Just not consistent. And each bottle cap is different, made with different metals. This one's an 85. Here's a different type of bottle cap. So the numbers are different. This one's a 70 or 81, 87. So each bottle cap, the metal might be a little bit different in each one. So that's that bottle cap. And then last but not least, we're going to do a pull tab here. We'll do a pull tab. So that's coming up. This pull tab is coming up similar to a nickel. It's ringing just like a nickel. So this particular pull tab can fool us if we're in the field. So that's something to keep aware of when you're digging. The nickel and the pull tab rings up pretty much the same. And then finally, I found this piece of this little piece of metal here, and this one says a 50-cent piece. It's not really 100% sure, but you see it coming up in a negative range. So that's something I wouldn't necessarily consider digging if there's a lot of trash. And you could do this test too. You just, little things you find in the field, foil or whatever, just bring it home and you do this test yourself and you can see. Alright, this is the MXT Pro with the double D coil, and hope this video helps you.